Hello everyone, this is Juhi Bhardwaj. Welcome all to my YouTube channel. I'm a tarot card reader, numerologist, Vastu expert and a crystal healer. And this channel is all about numerology, Vastu, spirituality and some crystal healing tips. If you are interested, don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel below. So let's proceed further with our today's video. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about what are the benefits of Gomti Chakra and which is the best placement for the Gomti Chakra tree in your home, because it's a very powerful tree and this tree has got multiple benefits. But before starting with the video, I'll show you that how does Gomti Chakra tree look like, because I do have this tree with me today. So this is a Gomti Chakra tree. I hope the picture of this tree is pretty much clear in the video. So you can see how beautiful this tree is and how elegant this tree is. So as you can see, these Gomti chakras are white in color and they are light brown too. They are round in shape and this tree is a very powerful tree, since this tree is blessed with special powers of Lord Vishnu, and this tree has got multiple benefits. So there is a short story behind this Gomti Chakra tree. So when Lord Vishnu was in his Krishna avatar, when Lord Vishnu emerged in his Krishna avatar, so during that particular time, Lord Krishna planted this tree near Gomti river, and that's why this tree is named as Gomti Chakra tree. These Gomti chakras are found in Gomti river, and when he planted this tree near Gomti river, this tree used to provide food and shelter to goddess Radha. That's why this tree has got its own significance, its own importance in our life. And these chakras, Gomti chakras, are nothing but the Sudarshan Chakra. Sudarshan Chakra is the divine weapon and a very powerful weapon of Lord Vishnu. Lord Vishnu used this weapon to kill the evil people, to kill the demons. And that's why the very first benefit of this Gomti Chakra tree is that it provides protection. It provides protection from all the negative energies, from all the negative entities and from all the negative people. Because these days, what happens? We meet with a lot of people. We interact, we communicate with n number of people in our everyday lives. And apart from this, a lot of people enter in our home. But we don't know that what kind of people are coming into our home. And we don't know that what are their real intentions. What are their energies towards us? And a lot of people have got a very strong evil eye influence too. And this evil eye influence do affects us at each and every level. It affects our mental health, our emotional health, our physical health and our financial health too. It also affects our married life, our relationships. It affects us at all the levels. And we don't know that who that person is exactly who has a very strong evil eye influence on us, on our family members, on our business, on our work, on our career. That's why at that particular time, it becomes very important for us, to protect our family members from all such negative people, from all such negative entities and from all such negative energies. That's why what you can do, you can place this Gomti Chakra tree near your main entrance area. Because after placing this tree near your main entrance area, you will prevent the entry of all the negative people that are coming into your home, that are affecting you in every way, but you are not aware about it. So you can place this very powerful tree near your main entrance area. Or you can also place this tree in your living room, because the time we enter in our home comes our living room, most of the times. So you can place it in your living room near your entry area. It will protect your home from all the negative entities, from all the toxic energies. So now comes the next benefit of this Gomti Chakra. Next benefit is that it helps to attract wealth and prosperity. Yes, it's a very powerful tree which will help us in attracting wealth and prosperity in our lives. For example, if you have got your own business, your own startup, your own venture, but there's a lot of problems coming in your business right now. Your business is under financial distress. You're not able to repay the loan that you have borrowed from your lenders on account of you're not generating good profits in your business. Continuously you are incurring odd amount of losses, and your financial position is going down day by day. So this Gomti Chakra tree will help you in clearing away all the problems, all the blockages that are there in your business, that are coming in your financial life. So what you can do, you can place this Gomti Chakra tree in the north direction of your home, because north direction is the direction of Lord Kuber too. Lord Kuber is the lord of wealth and prosperity. So Gomti Chakra tree has got its own benefit, and Lord Kuber, he will bless your life with wealth and prosperity. So it will be a double booster. So that's why you can place this tree in the north direction. It will help you to clear away all the financial problems that are coming in your business. It will clear away all the blockages that are coming in your business. Or if you don't have your business, if you are into some job, you are working somewhere, and there are a lot of problems or issues coming in your job, you're not getting rewarded for your high quality work, you are waiting for the promotions to happen, but your promotions are getting delayed on account of any reason. So what you can do, you can again place this Gomti Chakra tree in the north direction. It will help you to clear away all the problems that are coming in your job. So this is a very good tree which will help you in attracting wealth and prosperity in your life. Now comes the third benefit. The next benefit, it brings educational luck. Yes, if you're preparing for any competitive exam, like if you are preparing for IAS exam, IPS exam, or any other administrative exam, or even if you are pursuing any professional course, any higher level degree, you are preparing for any corporate exam, but on account of some reasons you are not able to concentrate on your studies, you feel that your mind is getting diverted on too many things, you are lacking focus in your life. So what you can do, you can place this Gomti Chakra tree in the northeast direction of your home, because our northeast direction brings educational luck. So what will happen after placing this Gomti Chakra tree in the northeast direction? The vibrations of these Gomti Chakras will work on your brain. It will sharpen your brain. It will sharpen your mind, and it will boost your memory, which will ultimately help you in increasing your concentration power. So this way, it will help you in clearing your exam, whichever exam you are wanting to clear. On the other hand, if you do have kids in your home, and kids who are facing a lot of problems while studying, they are not able to focus on their studies. So for that, you can place this Gomti Chakra tree on their study table. It will help them to concentrate on their studies, and it will help them to clear their exams too. That's why this tree has got multiple benefits. Now comes the last tip. The last benefit of the Gomti Chakra tree is that it brings health luck. Whether it's your mental health, your emotional health, your physical health, it will help you in attracting good health. So if you are facing a lot of stress and anxiety related issues, especially these days, people are facing a lot of stress related issues. They are going under depression. They feel low, depressed, insecure every time on account of multiple reasons, because of their job is not going right, or because of their business is under losses, on account of many reasons. So if you have all such issues, then you can place this tree in the east direction of your house, because the east sector brings health luck. It also creates balance, harmony, joy, and love among the family members. And if you are facing any other physical health issues, then it will help you in getting rid of all such health issues too. So basically, it will heal your mental health, your emotional health, and your physical health. So that's it. These all are the benefits of Gomti Chakra tree, and I've also told you about their placement in your house, that in which all directions you should keep this tree in your home. So that's it. That's all I have for today's video. In case if you want to know more about Vastu remedies, numerology, and you need some crystal healing tips, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel below. Also, if you would like to have an in-detail reading for tarot cards, for Vastu, and for numerology, then you can definitely contact me through my email ID, or you can also DM me on my Instagram account, and the links for the same are mentioned in my description box below. Or if you'd like to place an order for any crystal, you can place an order anytime as per your convenience because we do have pure, original and energized crystals available with us. So you can place an order anytime. So thank you so much for watching my video.